Good morning, children. How are you all? I hope everyone is good. Are you revising your work well? Very good morning, children. So let's start our today's tutorial. Children, today we are going to revise lesson numbers 17 and 18. So here I am going to share my screen. Okay. So what we are going to do today, children? Yes, we are revising our chapter numbers 17 and 18. Okay, let's start with lesson number 17, Record Makers of India. The famous personalities who make so many records for it. Okay, let's start with the first one. First Indian woman Prime Minister. First woman Prime Minister of independent India is? Yes, she is Mrs. Indira Gandhi. And she was a very strong lady. Do you know? Another famous woman of India that climbed the Mount Everest. Can you name her? She is Bachendri Pal. Next, the first man that receives the Nobel Prize. He is a man that had done some noble cause for humanity. Nobel Prize is a world level prize that is given to the persons who had done some noble causes for the humanity, who had done some help to the humanity. However, the first Indian man that received the Nobel Prize, he is, of course, he is Rabindranath Tagore. Okay, I hope you all remind his name. Okay, children. Next, can you name the first man to climb the Mount Everest? Obviously, first woman is Bachendri Pal, and the first man who climbed the Mount Everest is Tenzing Norgay. Is it okay? Next, another first Indian woman to receive the Nobel Prize. First man was Rabindranath Tagore, and the first woman, she is a very nice lady, very noble, helpful to all, and that's why very loving, that's why she is called as mother. Okay, we call it as Mother Teresa. She is a Mother Teresa. Why mother? Because of her motherly nature. Next, can you name this man who make a solo air flying jet? Can you name this man? He is J.R.D. Tata. Another Indian great personality. The first Indian man to win Grand Slam tennis event. He is a person who won so many medals for India. He is a champion of tennis. He is a champion player of tennis. Can you name him? He is Mahesh Srinivas Bhupati. Next, who is the first Mughal emperor? Before the British rule, Mughals also ruled India. And the first Mughal emperor is Babur. Another famous personality of India, the first Indian woman. Yes, children, can you name her? The first Indian woman. Yes, she is Pratibha Devi Singh Patil. Okay, she is Pratibha Devi Singh Patil. Moving upon to the another personality, Mihir Seth. He is a person from Kolkata who won championship in long distance, who is having a record in long distance swimming. I hope it is clear to you. Next, can you name the some world's greatest personalities after India? Let's name them. She is popular all over the world. She was the famous astronaut and she born in India. She is Kalpana Chawla. She is the most famous and most popular astronaut. She had gone to the space, and during returning, her spaceship crashes, but still she won a name and fame for her country. Okay. Next, the favorite of all. Cartoons. Cartoons are the favorite to all children. है ना? And this is a man who is a creator of few cartoon characters like Donald Duck, like the Mickey Mouse. And he had built a Disneyland in London. This Disneyland is a dreamland to all the children. Can you name this famous personality? Walt Disney. Okay, Walt Disney is a famous personality who had built a Disneyland in London. Next, another famous person. He is a co-founder of Microsoft. Can you name him? Of course, Bill Gates. He is one of the richest persons in the world. One of the most famous personality that is an outstanding English astrophysicist. He was a victim of degenerative nerve disease, but still he was very active and very efficiently he had done his work. That is why he is too popular. His name is Stephen Hawking. One of the most famous American actresses, Julia Roberts. She's a beautiful lady, isn't it? Next, this is one of the famous personality who had written a novel, War and Peace. He is a very good writer. Sorry, he was a very good writer. He written so many novels, one of which is War and Peace. So can you name him? His name is Leo Tolstoy. So children, I think the topic is clear to you and you will revise it well, and rest we will continue in our next tutorial. Till then, bye-bye and take care.